Thanks for viewing this property. Please contact me by email at chip@chiplanders.com or call my cell phone at 772-473-7888 for further information. 1.1 acre oceanfront lot with 122 feet of ocean frontage. Rare oceanfront lot with wide width and abundant buildable area. Deed restricted and gated community on South A1A. Seller has survey and soil tests. Wide beach for sun and fun. Pretty community with lots of trees and rolling terrain. Near street. Ed's School and Round Island Park for river access.